This is gonna blow your mind. The sun-dappled forest floor is teeming with life. Amongst the towering trees, a hidden world awaits. Join us as we venture into this enchanting realm. From insects to mammals, the forest is a tapestry of interconnected lives. Each plays a crucial role in this delicate ecosystem. Hi, I'm Boy's Name, and today we're going to meet some amazing animals in this beautiful forest. Let's go explore. In a sun-kissed glade, we find the graceful deer. Their dappled coats blend seamlessly with the forest floor. Notice the female's gentle elegance. Note the male's impressive antlers, a symbol of strength. Look, a flash of movement. It's a squirrel, leaping effortlessly from limb to limb. These busy creatures gather nuts, their bushy tails providing balance. Chapter 3. The Fleet-Footed Rabbit. A rustle in the undergrowth reveals a cottontail rabbit. These shy creatures with long ears and powerful legs are built for speed, capable of impressive bursts when escaping danger. Chapter 4. The Cunning Fox. The fox, with its russet coat and intelligent eyes, is a master of stealth. A solitary hunter, it relies on keen senses to locate prey. Chapter 5. The Silent Hunter. As twilight descends, the owl, with its piercing gaze and silent flight, takes to the skies. This nocturnal predator is a formidable hunter, a whisper in the night. Chapter 6. The raccoon, with its black mask and nimble paws, is a creature of forest and water. These intelligent omnivores are highly adaptable, prying open shells and manipulating objects. Chapter 7. The bear, a symbol of strength and resilience, is a powerful presence in the forest. These omnivores, with their keen sense of smell, eat berries, honey, fish, and small mammals. Chapter 8. The haunting howl of the wolf echoes through the trees, showcasing their social bonds. Living and hunting in packs, they rely on communication and cooperation to hunt larger prey. Chapter 9. The Rhythmic Drummer. The woodpecker, a tireless worker, can be heard throughout the forest, its rhythmic drumming a familiar sound. Using its powerful beak, it chisels into trees, seeking insects and grubs. Chapter 10. The Amphibious Frog. Near the forest's edge by a tranquil pond, we find the frog, equally at home in water and on land. With bulging eyes and sticky tongues, they are expert insect hunters. Chapter 11. The Silent Serpent. A flash of scales, a whisper of movement, and the snake disappears into the undergrowth. These reptiles are masters of camouflage, often unnoticed until it's too late. Chapter 12. The Master Builder. The beaver, a tireless engineer, transforms its environment, creating dams and lodges. These industrious rodents with powerful teeth and webbed feet are essential to the ecosystem. Chapter 13. The Prickly Protector. The hedgehog, a creature of twilight, emerges from its slumber. With spiky armor and the ability to curl into a ball, it is well protected from predators. Chapter 14. The Striped Strider. A flash of stripes catches our eye as the chipmunk darts across the forest floor. These small rodents with boundless energy are a constant delight to observe. Chapter 15. The Antlered Giant. The moose, the largest member of the deer family, is a majestic sight. Its antlers, used for display and combat, can span over 6 feet. Chapter 16. The Odorous Defender. The skunk, with its distinctive black and white markings, is a creature most animals avoid. Its powerful musk is a highly effective defense mechanism. Chapter 17. The Quill-Covered Wonder. The porcupine, a slow-moving creature, relies on its sharp quills for protection. As darkness falls, the bat takes to the skies, its silhouette flickering against the fading light. Using echolocation, they navigate and hunt precisely. The lynx, a stealthy predator, moves silently through the forest. With keen eyesight and powerful legs, it is a formidable hunter, perfectly adapted to life in the forest. The badger, a creature of the undergrowth, is rarely seen. Its black and white face markings and powerful claws are distinctive. As our journey through this vibrant forest ends, we are reminded of the incredible diversity of life here. From the smallest creatures to the largest, each plays a vital role in this ecosystem. Let us cherish and protect these wild spaces, for they hold beauty and wonder. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.